Relays are switches that open and close circuits electromechanically or electronically. Relays control one electrical circuit by opening and closing contacts in another circuit. As relay diagrams show, when a relay contact is normally open, no, there is an open contact when the relay is not energized. When a relay contact is normally closed, NC, there is a closed contact when the relay is not energized. In either case, applying electrical current to the contacts will change their state. This is 12-volt relay in which these 2 points are the coil terminal. Here we use 9 volts battery to energize the relay. This point is the movable contact, also called common point. These 2 points are the normally closed contact and normally open contact. This one is normally closed contact, and this one is normally open contact. When the relay is not energized, it is at this position, like you can say it normally close. And when the relay is energized by applying voltage at coil terminals, it will change its state. So guys, the question is that how we identify which point is normally close and which is normally open. For this we have to use a multimeter. In multimeter we have a continuity testing option. When the 2 points are attached with each other, they are continue and current can flow through these. So when 2 probes of multimeter connected to 2 points, for example at common point to assumed normally close point, if multimeter generates sound, it means these 2 terminals are connected internally, and this point is normally close. If sound is not generated, then that point is normally open. Now let me explain the circuit diagram. In this circuit we use two batteries as a source and relay as a main component. Make your circuit according to the circuit diagram. These are LEDs used to show the state of relay. This resistor is used for the safety purpose of these LEDs. And this battery is used to on the LED. Whenever this switch is closed, the relay will be energized and it change its state from this point to this point. First, when switch is open, this LED will be glowing. And when the switch is closed, then this LED will start glowing and show us the changing state of relay from normally closed point to normally open point. So guys, if you have any issue related to this circuit, just comment below. I will clear all issues. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more electronics projects.